In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Framer website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to update your logo's color confidently and consistently across your site. First, open your browser and head to framer.com. Once the editor loads, you'll see your workspace and any projects you've been working on. If you're brought to a dashboard, simply proceed into the site you want to edit so you can access the canvas and the design panels. Open your project so you're looking at the page where your logo appears. It's easiest to start on a page where the logo is visible in the header or hero section, since that's typically where it lives. Give the canvas a second to render and make sure you can see the left layers panel and the right properties panel. Now select the logo. You can do this directly on the canvas by double-clicking the logo element to make sure it's targeted. If that doesn't highlight the correct layer, look to the left side. In the Layers panel, find the logo layer and click it there. This guarantees you're editing the correct object. If you're unsure, click the logo on the canvas once to confirm it's selected. The bounding box and layer highlight will make that obvious. With the logo selected, look to the right side of the editor for the Properties panel. Here, locate the Fill section. This is where Framer controls the color of vector shapes and text-based marks. If your logo is a vector or an SVG component, the fill will be available for quick adjustment. Click the color swatch in the Fill section to open the color picker. You'll see options for solid colors, sliders for hue and brightness, and a field for entering a precise value. Choose the color you want for your logo. For brand consistency, paste in your exact hex, RGB, or HSL code if you have it. Adjust opacity if needed to lighten the look without changing the hue. As you make changes, watch the logo on the canvas update in real time, which helps you judge contrast and legibility against your background. When you're happy with the new color, simply click outside the picker. Framer saves your edits automatically. If your logo is used across multiple pages as a shared component, the change will carry through wherever that component appears, keeping everything consistent. Give your site a quick preview to make sure the color holds up on light and dark sections, and you're all set.